Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today we are going to put together a birthday tree. So if this is something that you'd like to see, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for this tree I'm using a 4-foot tinsel that I picked up from Amazon. Not the best tree. Feel free to use any tree you want. You can use your green trees, you can use your flat trees. It's all up to you. This one I ordered from Amazon because it was a smaller tree. It's 4 foot tall, as I said, and it was $19.99. I'm not impressed with it. I had to flock the heck out of it, okay? This is the box that it came in. Very small box. I couldn't believe that a Christmas tree was actually inside this box. It literally showed up at my house, and when I opened the box, why did it look like a crackhead? Just malnourished, just underdeveloped. I had to flock it like crazy to get it to look like this. So I will still leave the link in the description box below, and do what you will. You can either get this tree or you can use your own tree. So for my birthday tree, I'm gonna be using some of these items. And these items I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well as Hobby Lobby. And just like a couple of these items I got from Amazon. But like I said, guys, make sure that you're collecting things that you like, things that you enjoy to make your birthday tree special. Okay, so I also forgot to mention that the tree comes pre-lit. It has a little battery pack with it, and you can make it twinkle. You can keep it on the colored lights. It also have just a clear light setting. I have it on the multicolored light setting is because of the colors that I'll be adding. As you can see from the things that I've collected, I'm going to be doing pink and red to go along with the gold. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna add to this tree is I'm going to add the birthday girl sash. This sash I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $1.99, but I'm gonna put it right across the tree diagonally, and then I'm gonna add the other items around it. Next thing I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add some of these bigger items. These two cute teddy bears I picked up at Hobby Lobby again on their Valentine area. And these were like 40% off. I think I paid like $3 each. So I'm gonna start with the bigger items first, and then I will eventually add the smaller items in. So if you're doing teddy bears on your tree, it's important to keep this little tag on. That way you can attach this to the branch. For the other one, I accidentally cut this little plastic tag. So what I did was I put it under the bow that's around the bear's neck. So I just pushed the branch underneath it, and then I just twisted it to hold it in place. This beautiful flower also came from Hobby Lobby. And again, I've left on the little tag holder. This is actually a peel and stick. If you want to use it for other projects, you just peel the back off and stick it. But for the sake of the tree, I'm going to hang it using the same little tag that comes on it. These bows came from Hobby Lobby. Again, they're 99 cents. These are some of the bows that I had on my Christmas tree, the black ones. They have them in all different sizes, and they're all 99 cents each, whether they're small or they're big. So if you're looking to stay on trend with the bows for 2025, Hobby Lobby is the place to go if you don't want to make them by hand. The Dollar Tree had these leftover bottle brush trees, and I'm going to stick these in. Yes, it's going to be a Christmas tree within a Christmas tree. So I'm just going to stick 2 of these in that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I have these balloons that I also got from the Dollar Tree. This has happy birthday on it. I'm just gonna blow it just a little bit. We don't want it too big. And then we're just gonna start sticking them in and around the tree. I have this red one, and then I have some pink ones that I'm going to do as well. I went into my Christmas box and pulled out some of these picks and flowers and a couple of ornaments. I'm going to add them to the tree just to give it a little bit more texture and a little bit more dimension. These picks I got from Hobby Lobby way back in the Christmas time. And these are some older ornaments that I had. Now that all of the larger items are on, I'm gonna start adding these miniature cupcakes and these little disco balls. Okay guys, so I've added all of the decor pieces, and to top it off, I'm just going to add this happy birthday crown to the top, and our tree will be done. Just like so. And now I'll take you in closer so you can see the finer details. Okay guys, here is the final product. I have placed it on top of one of my little side tables, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now guys, remember you can do this tree as big as you want or as small as you want. This is a 4-foot tree. You can do it on a 7-foot, 10-foot, whatever you want to do. Just know that the bigger the tree, the more items you'll need. If you have a birthday coming up and you want to do a birthday tree, start collecting your items early. Make sure that they're things that you like. Ideally, I would have liked to have like some miniature purses on stuff on here, but I started collecting my items too late, and so I didn't get some of the items that I would have liked to see. But start collecting your items and go in and make your tree, make it fun, make it beautiful, and make it just the way you want it to be. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.